how to use QGIS and Python to batch export maps based on regions or time periods. This is useful if you are working with the large data sets and want to export maps for each region automatically. So let's get started. So first we need to import our important libraries that will help us interact with QGIS and work with the project file. So here we are importing QGIS project to access our QGIS project. And the second one is QGIS layout exporter for exporting layouts and QGIS vector layers to work with vector data. And we are also importing QGIS layout item map to updating the map layout. So the first one is import OS and from QGIS.core import. So we need to QGIS project QGIS layout exporter QGIS vector layer QGIS expression context QGIS expression context utilities QGIS feature request QGIS layout item map. And now the third one is from qgis.pyqt.qtxml import qdom document. Okay, now next we define the paths for our QGIS project and the folder where we want to save exported maps. Make sure these paths match your system file structure. So first you need to save this project in which your specified layer is already placed. So mine is a park district boundary and I already saved this file as so my project is saved as map.qgz. My project name is map. Okay, so now we set path project path. So project path equal to this. Where is the file? This one. Click on it. Copy map as path. And the second one is a output folder where the exported file saved. So exported maps. Okay, we also want to make sure that the folder for saving our exported PDFs exists. If it doesn't, we create it. If not, os.path.exists. First it will check the folder is exist or not. Output folder. If not, then os.make directory output folder with the name of this exported maps. Okay, now we load our QGIS project file. This is where all our layers and layout are stored. So we are using the QGIS project instance. Load the project and access its content. So project equal to QGIS project dot instance, then project dot read. It will read the project file which is map.qgz in my case. Project path. Next we access the layout that contains our map. You will need to replace the kpk with the name of your layout. If the layout is not found, the script will stop and display an error message. So let's go write the code for it. Layout name equal to, so my map name is, here you want to check layouts, so my map layout name is kpk. Replace it with your on layout. Okay, so after this layout equal to project dot layout manager dot layout by name, so it will take the argument which is layout name. Now it will check if not layout, then print a message layout layout name not found in the project. So if the layout not found in our project, so we should exit the script. Okay, so next our vector layer. In my case is the park district boundary. So which contains the boundaries of different regions as you can see on the map. So for this we use map layers by name to fetch the layer by its name. So layer name equal to park district boundary. Spelling must be same with the layer name. So replace with the name of your vector layer. Region layer equal to QGIS project dot instance dot map layer by name, which is layer name 0. Now here we also check on the region layer. So if not region layer, and print a message if layer name not found in the project. Okay, after this here we define a list of regions to filter the vector layer. So this list will be looped over and a map will be generated for each region. So you can replace my list with your own values based on your data set. So in my case region value values, it have multiple. So the first one is values is the province's name, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. So spelling should be same. The second one is Gilgit Baltistan. The third one is Azad Kashmir. The fourth one is Islamabad. The fifth one is Punjab, Balochistan. And the last one is Sindh. So these are the values which are in these vector layers. You can also check the open attribute table. Look, Azad Kashmir, Balochistan, Gilgit, all these values are written in the region values. Now next we define the export settings for our PDF. So export setting equal to QGIS layout exporter dot PDF export settings PDF export settings. Okay, now the fun part is we loop through each region in region values. So for each region we filter the vector layer based on that region and update the map layout to reflect the filtered data. So for this we use QGIS layout item map dot refresh to update the map content in the layout. So we use a for loop for region in region values. Now apply filter to the layer. Expression equal to f noted comma TERFIELD field equal to this REGION region layer dot set subset string. It will get the argument which is expression. Now update map element in the layout. So for this for item in layout dot items if is instance item QGIS layout item map, then item dot refresh. Okay, now after filtering and refreshing the map, so we define the output file path for the PDF and use QGIS layout exporter to export the layout in a PDF file for each region. If the export is successful, the script prints a success message. So here we define the output path equal to os.path dot join output folder FREGION map.pdf. Now export the layout to PDF. Result equal to QGIS layout exporter layout export to PDF output path and export settings. Now here we use a check. If the exported map is success, then it will show a message. If result QGIS layout exporter dot success, then show a message. For region output path else print fail to export map for region. Okay, once all the map are exported, we reset the filter to include all region again. Region underscore layer dot set subset string. Finally, once all the map have been exported, the script will print a message indicating that the process is complete. Print all maps exported successfully, and that's it. Now click on the run button and see what happened. Cannot assign to f string expression. Okay, here is miss this comma. Okay, we also missed the noted commas here. Okay, again it will get error QGIS project has no attribute layout manager. The input line in module 1 file string line 24. layout name KPK. So the error is in line 24. PK. So okay, so the L is capital. Now again we need to run. Now the error is in line 31 as well. Where is the 31? QGIS project map layer by name layer name. So map layer by name. Okay, so here we miss the S. It is map layers by name. Okay, so region values. Where is this line? 44. Region G. Okay, so REIG line 57. GION successfully exported map for Sindh. It exports only one map. Why? Region values or EGIUN region values. Okay, so this line will be here and this one as well. And also if else condition below on these lines. This. Now again run this script. Okay, so the script runs successfully and it will export all the map successfully. So we need to check the exported maps. Now look at these. There are 7 maps which I already shown on the in the attribute table. This one is the Sindh. This one is Punjab. So that's it. You have just learned how to automate the process of exporting maps for different regions. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more QGIS tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.